How to expand a selection in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Start by creating your initial selection of your image. For this demonstration, I'm just going to use Photoshop's Select Subject feature. And as we can see there, that's done a decent selection of our subject here. I'm just going to zoom in so that we can see the selection a little bit better. To expand this selection, head up to Select, come down to Modify and then select Expand. This will open up this box, and here you have to enter a number of pixels that you want the selection to expand by. This is going to differ for everybody's projects, everybody's needs will be different. In my example, I'm going to go for an extreme amount so that we can see how this works. So I'm going to enter 15 pixels into the box and then choose OK. Now as we can see there, that selection has drastically shifted 15 pixels all around our subject. Now this has happened for every single part of the subject, so around the bag here, around her legs, around her arm, we can see that the selection has expanded, and that's all there is to it.